Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. We are doing a very exciting try on today. I have a few pieces from SKIMS and I'm gonna try them on for you, give you my review, and we're gonna walk through the fabrics because they are incredible. I have pieces from their Fits Everybody line, from their cotton rib, and from their logo mesh. I'm also wearing a set from their cozy collection. I cannot tell you guys how often I reach for this set, especially living with a boy who keeps the apartment frigid. This is the best thing you can wear ever. It is so comfortable, keeps you so warm, it fits incredible. I'm just obsessed. I'm excited to dive in and get to know the line a little bit more, show you guys how everything fits, let you know my thoughts. Also, you may or may not know, I got a boob job in September. So I am almost 6 months post-op and loving how everything's been fitting. So trying on bras and really getting a grasp for what fits my body and what keeps me supported and comfortable is a new favorite pastime of mine. Wearing bras before my boob job was like never that exciting. And now it's just so much more fun to find bras that fit and look really incredible on. So we have a really good lineup of bras that I prefer. There's a specific shape that I know fits and is comfortable and looks good under clothes, and we have a few of those here. So I'm excited to show you those on. If you have any questions about fit, feel, fabric, anything, please comment below. I know I'm not the first to tell you that SKIMS is incredible. Everything that I own from the brand is entirely worth it and it's so hard to get your hands on. So I'm going to link below the items that I'm featuring here. Definitely grab the items if you can because they are so good, worth the wait, and the price point for the quality is amazing. So let's jump into it. First up, we have this incredible set from the cotton rib line in heather gray. These are the leggings and the Plunge bralette. This is going to be my absolute new go-to for lounging at home. These leggings are so incredibly comfortable. I am honestly shook because I've never owned a pair of these leggings and fully worth the hype. I got a small and I feel like the waistband is a little bit loose. It's very comfortable, so I'm happy with the size, but I feel like I could also do an extra small. So for reference, I am 5'4" and typically wear like a 25 in denim. So size-wise, I would get your normal size, or if you sometimes do extra small in like workout leggings, definitely go with an extra small. The bra is also a size small and fits perfectly. I would change nothing. It's extremely comfortable. It has this thick band right here, so I feel very supported, and you're also able to adjust the straps so you can make it a little bit tighter. I don't actually know what size bra I am because I haven't gotten measured, but as you can see, a size small bra still fits me. So though I did go up in size, technically it's more like for fullness. So before my boob job, I was a 32B technically, even though I don't buy that. I feel like I was definitely an A cup. All that to say, size small still does fit me. So I would say that the line in general is very true to size, and I'm honestly obsessed. I don't want to take these leggings off. They're so comfortable. And they're strangely like extremely flattering. I feel like this is a kind of intimidating legging if you're not used to this style, but the way the ribbed fabric goes, it's just elongating and looks great on whatever curves that you have or don't have, and it just feels good. So if you've been wanting to try these leggings, I can fully support. You need to definitely do it. Our next set is also from the cotton rib collection, and it is the tank and the brief set. This was actually my first set from SKIMS that I got last summer. It made me fall in love with the brand immediately. It just fits so comfortably. This tank top is just the perfect tank. I wear this to bed and I also wear it out. So it's very functional for day to night, through the night, whatever you prefer. I'm wearing a small in the tank and I feel like it fits perfectly. I'm also wearing a small in the briefs, and unlike the leggings, the band is a little bit tighter, as you can see. It fits really comfortably, so I wouldn't change the size in the brief, so just take note of that. I also really love where it hits. I just feel like it's a very flattering cut if you're not used to wearing briefs. It just fits great all around. So guys, I am absolutely stunned right now. This is the Fits Everybody collection. We've got the scoop neck bra and the dip front thong. I have never felt a fabric that is as incredible as this line. The fabric stretches twice its size and lays on your body so beautifully. I truly cannot express to you how incredible it feels. I honestly want to switch out all my underwear and bras to this fabric. It's that good. This is typically my bra of choice. I love how it scoops down. It's very flattering. It's also the kind of bra you just put over your head. There's no clasp in the back, so it's gonna be really nice under any shirt. It does have adjustable straps, so you can cater it to your fits. But you guys, if you buy one thing from this haul, make it something from the Fits Everybody collection. It is so good, so good. I have some other pieces from this line, so I'm gonna switch them out and show you the other colors. This one is onyx, and it will definitely be my absolute new go-to. It's so incredible. So this is the exact same bra from the Fits Everybody collection. It's the scoop neck, and these are the boy shorts in clay. I have a small in all of the pieces and they fit impeccably. This would be so good under like a mini skirt or a little mini dress that you don't want any lines to show, because this is a seamless fit. Also going to give you really great coverage. Again, extremely comfortable. It feels like butter. I like honestly can't believe how good it is. I truly want it in every color they make, but this is a good start. Again, if you buy one thing from this haul, I cannot recommend the Fits Everybody line enough. It's so good. I'm obsessed. Next, we have the logo mesh boy short and the Fits Everybody triangle bra. This was actually the first shape bra that I got from SKIMS, which made me fall in love with it. I loved the way it fit, even pre-boob job. Post-boob job, it fits even better. So again, just all around obsessed with the bra and this shape in general. So I knew I had to have it in this fabric. It fits amazing. Also doesn't have the clasp in the back. And as for the logo mesh, you guys, if you are a lace underwear fan, you absolutely need to try the logo mesh from SKIMS. It is so flattering, so comfortable, still has a very seamless fit. It's not a thick lace. It stretches incredibly and it just lays so nicely on the skin. And the beauty of all of this is that you can mix and match 3 for $36 on the SKIMS website. So I have these other pairs from their logo mesh line. It's just the thong and this cheeky brief. And you can mix and match the logo mesh with the Fits Everybody and get all of your favorite items in one swoop. Highly recommend taking advantage of this deal because you get the best bang for your buck and you get all of your favorite pieces in one scoop. I know that SKIMS is constantly like selling out and restocking, so you have to act quickly. So I will link all of the things below so you can grab them because they are so good, and when they're restocked, you cannot wait. You need to grab them. And I'm just like shook at how well these all fit. I'm a forever fan. Like there is no going back now. Okay, save the most exciting for last. I got 3 bodysuits and I know they're gonna fit incredibly, starting with the cotton rib bodysuit in umber. It's like this really beautiful mauve color in person and it fits amazing. Are we shocked? No. There's no padding or anything, but it feels weirdly kind of supportive because of the stitching. It's a little bit tighter around the arms and straps, so I just feel supported and I have no bra on. So I really love that feature. It is a little bit of a scoop back, so it's super flattering. I really love the dramatic scoop neckline. Again, it just fits incredibly, but I'm not surprised because SKIMS truly does everything right. Like they get it. The girls that get it, and SKIMS gets it. Before I change, I wanted to show you what these bodysuits look like on the hanger. We've got 2 from the Fits Everybody collection, so you know they're going to be incredible. We've got a little short sleeve version and tank version. Again, the fabric is just butter, you guys. Like I don't know what to tell you other than you need to run to get your hands on a Fits Everybody piece. Any piece, just get something because it's so good. And again, let me just show you how far they stretch. Like so comfy. So if you have a short torso, if you have a long torso, curves, no curves, it's going to be so comfortable. Let's try them on. You guys, I didn't think I could love SKIMS more, but this freaking bodysuit, like the way she fits, the way she lays on the skin, on the body. I mean, I have never worn something this comfortable and flattering. I'm speechless. It's so good. It's so good. It's so good. Can we take a second to appreciate just how stunning these lines are? Wow, can you just freaking get it? So needless to say, I'm a fan, big fan. This is a size small in the bodysuit, so freaking comfortable. I have nothing to say other than it's perfect. Also, it's a thong bodysuit. You're gonna have a seamless look no matter what you pair with it. 10 out of 10. We have 1 more to go. I'm really sad that this is almost over, but I know I'm gonna love the next one too, so be right back. We are ending on a high note. This brown short sleeve bodysuit is so good. Again, buttery smooth, so comfortable. I am so obsessed. I have a lot of love for brown right now, so I know I'm going to be wearing this a ton. I will note though, it's not a thong bodysuit. It does come in the option of a thong, so when you're buying, just make sure to take note of thong, no thong situation. Either way, it's really incredible, really supportive, nice and tight. It definitely does not feel like it's going to stretch out. It's going to retain its shape and its fit, and it's just so good, you guys. Everything will be in the description below. I'm wearing a small in everything that you saw in this haul. I have 0 complaints. Everything was absolutely perfect, like so perfect. Like I feel like I could just throw away everything else in my underwear drawer and switch it out with SKIMS. It's that good. Definitely take advantage of the 3 for $36 deal. They're constantly restocking and trying to keep their inventory fresh, so make sure you monitor the website. There's so many good pieces, as you saw from this haul. They pay such attention to detail. They clearly are set apart because their fit is just so above and beyond. It's so hard to find a pair of underwear that leaves a lasting impression, and I am telling you, the Fits Everybody thong is chef's kiss. Nothing compares. So definitely try it out. Huge fan, cannot say enough good things, and I will be stalking the website so I can slowly but surely switch out all of my underwear to Skims. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Be sure to like and subscribe and let me know what you want to see next.